Look what Vashi got. A big watermelon. Oh my goodness. That is huge watermelon, guys. Ano kaya ang... Tignan natin yung laman yan mamaya. Yan, guys. Ayan na yung malaking pakwan. Get it closer a little bit. There. Did you see how big it is? Charan! Oh my God. Let's open it. Oh my God, I'm lucky, guys. Oh, 1, 2, 2.5. 2.5, guys. Oh my God. Is this seedless, the one that you got, or with, I don't know. Oh my God, it looks good. Oh, look at this. I love it, guys. Tsaka manipis yung balat niya. Hindi kagaya ng ibang pakwan na makapal. So, ayan. Ang kapal ay manipis yung ng ating pakwan, guys. Ayan. May seed siya konti. So, isi-save ko itong seed niya, guys. Okay, we're gonna eat the half one, guys. Ayan.